Hello, good morning. Welcome to our presentation, where we want to look at classification of numbers and Form 1 mathematics. Actually, it's mathematics 1. Okay. So in this presentation, we want to look at two concepts. Composite numbers. What are composite numbers? When a number is said to be composite, and then also we look at prime factorization. Okay. Because we've already looked at prime numbers, factorization, so on and so forth. So what can we say about composite number? Now, let's look at these two cases. You have number one, let's say 3 times 1. What do you get? You get 3. Then 3 times 2. What do we get? 6. So this number, 6, sorry for that. So, this number 6, which is a product of two numbers other than 1, is a composite number. So if a number is a product of two numbers, at least two numbers other than 1, that number is composite. But this one, so like I said, this is a composite number because it is a product of two numbers, that is 3 and 2, and none of these is 1. Okay? When you look at this one, it is a product of two numbers, but one of the numbers is 1. Therefore, this number is not composite. It is prime. Okay? Number. That's the difference made between a composite number and a prime number. Therefore, we come up with like a definition now of a composite number. We can say a composite number is a positive integer with at least 3 factors. If a number has at least 3 factors, that number is a composite, provided the number is a positive integer. Examples, what are the examples? Number 1, we can have 6, for example. Okay? Why? Why is 6 composite? Because the factors of these are 1, 2, 3, and the 6 itself, even if we exclude this. All right. Another one, number 2, we can have maybe 20. This will come from the following factors, or it has a following factors 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Okay, so that's what we mean. Maybe I can give you an activity. You try. Is 1 composite or prime? Pause, give it a try. What is our answer? Can I tell you? It is neither composite nor prime. That's the answer. It does not fit in the definition of a prime number, neither does it fit in the definition for a composite number. So it's neither of these. It's not a prime number. It's equally not a composite number. I hope you understand what a composite number is. Another question. Activity 2. Identify composite numbers identify composite and prime numbers. From the table below. This is our table. Zero, 3, 6, 11, 13, 49, 51, 60, 25, 2, 7, 8, 15, 35, 16, 18, 33, 45, 72, 81, 19, 22, 23, 119, and 68. So please give it a try and give me the answer in the comment section. Let's see. I may just write the answers for you. Okay, good. That's it. That's all. And composite numbers. Now we move to the next aspect, which is prime factorization. Now, I'll start with an activity. I'll say list the factors of of 15. We restrict ourselves to positive factors. So, are you able to give it a try? You can pause, give it a try. Let's see what you're going to get. Compare with what I'll put up. What are the factors of 15? I'll say activity 1. Okay. Sorry for that, for the breakdowns due to connectivity. All right. What are the factors of 15? 1, 3, 5, and 15 itself. Those are the factors. Okay. Then from here, I can put up a build-up, a follow-up question. Activity 2. List the prime numbers. From the numbers given in activity 1. Okay. Our solution. So from here, we should select prime numbers. And the only prime numbers in here are 3 and 5. Therefore, 3 and 5 are, in this case, called prime factors of 15. Okay, so that's what we mean. So for a number to be called a prime factor, it must satisfy 2 properties. Number 1, it must be a factor on its own. 2, it must be a prime number of a number under consideration. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Let's get now to the definition of a prime factor. Definition of a prime factor. So, a prime factor of any number satisfies the following properties. What are these properties? Number one, it is a factor on its own. Or just say it is a fact. It is a factor of a number under consideration, the number that you are looking at. All right? So it must be a factor. Then it must be prime. That's it. So it must be prime. Okay? It must be prime. Activity. Question. State the prime factors. Factors of 20. What is our solution? So, what we do is we can come up with factors of 20. Of 20. By that, we'll restrict ourselves to positive numbers. Okay. What are these? 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20 itself. Now from here, we identify, so say therefore, prime factors now. So from here now, we pick the prime numbers. And these are 2 and 5. These are the prime factors of 20 actually. That's it. Maybe the last part under this is expressing a number as a product of its prime factors. We'll end with an example. How do you do that? We'll look at an example. Okay. express 252 as a product of its factors. So how do you do that? Very simple. It's a solution. So you can just do a table. So here we have got 252. Then here you can be putting the first, you can try to put the first prime number. You check if it can divide into this. So it is 2. Okay. So 2 into 252. It is 126. Then 2 can still divide 2 into 126. It is 63. Then 2 cannot divide. The next prime number that can divide into this is 3. 3 into 63 is 21. 3 can still divide into 21. And you get 7. The next prime number that can divide into that, it is 7 itself. And what do we get? 1. Okay. Therefore, 252 can be written as 2 by 2 by 3 by 3 by 7. Or indeed, 252 is equal to 2 to the power 2 by 3 to the power 2 by 7. That's it. That's where we end for this presentation. I'm sorry for the breakdown. Please subscribe to our channels. Gamban phiri-JM. Chaomba Mbondo. So please, you can contact us on 0978 56 58 76, 0979 67 38 09. In case you want lessons for your children, you can contact us to be able to guide you. And in case you know anyone who is interested in the GCE exams for this year, please, we're having those lessons. Yeah, online, live online lessons. We don't teach via WhatsApp, it is live. Please, you can connect them to us, we'll be able to help them. We only charge 500 kwacha per month. These are quality lessons. All right, please share with your friends, with any other person. Till next time, bye-bye. My apologies for the breakdown in transmission.